Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to file income tax TDS return online. Filing your tax deducted at source, or TDS, return electronically is a straightforward process that offers significant convenience. We will cover everything from understanding the basics of TDS to the final submission steps. This guide will help you navigate the online portal, ensuring a smooth and accurate filing experience. Let's get started and simplify your tax compliance journey together. Before you begin filing your TDS return online, a few essential preparations are necessary. First, ensure you have your tax deduction and collection account number, or TAN, readily available. This 10-digit alphanumeric number is crucial for all TDS-related transactions. Next, register your TAN on the official income tax e-filing portal. Finally, gather all relevant documents, such as challan details for tax deposited and comprehensive information about your deductees. Having these ready will streamline your entire filing process. Now, let's walk through the step-by-step process of filing your TDS return online. Begin by preparing your TDS statement using the Return Preparation Utility, or RPU, which is available on the tax department's website. This utility helps you accurately enter all necessary details. Once your statement is prepared, use the File Validation Utility, or FVU, to check for any errors. After successful validation, log in to the Income Tax e-filing portal and upload your error-free TDS statement. This ensures accuracy and compliance. After successfully uploading your TDS return, the final crucial step is verification. You can verify your return using either a digital signature certificate, if you have one, or an electronic verification code, commonly known as EVC. Once verified, you will receive an acknowledgement receipt, often referred to as Form 16A, confirming your successful submission. It is highly recommended to download and save this acknowledgement, along with all supporting documents, for your records. This ensures you have proof of compliance and easy access for future reference.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.